Hello, Blender enthusiasts. Welcome to an exciting adventure into the world of awesome Blender tools. Today, I have an exciting lineup of best Blender assets, add-ons, and courses that are sure to enhance your workflow as a 3D artist and help you save your precious time, starting with Internic. So, we all know how challenging it can be to create high-quality, performance-optimized assets for 3D projects, especially interior assets. Whether it's those tiny details or optimizing for performance, it can be pretty tough. But that's about to get a whole lot easier with the new Internic Asset Pack release from the folks at Polygonic, with this new addition to their existing powerful add-on. For saving VRAM with VRAM Saver, everything gets even more efficient. Internic is also a perfect companion to their other top-notch asset packs like Botanic, Materialic, Aquatic, and Traffic. Now, let's take a look at what Internic brings to the table. It includes over 800 assets ranging from kitchen sets, bathroom pieces, lighting, decor, fabrics, and even pre-made asset combos. These are perfect for adding both style and detail to your interior scenes effortlessly. On top of that, it includes free future updates, giving you access to new assets without any extra cost. And here's the exciting part. Internic is launched with an incredible 44% discount. So, if you're looking to elevate your interior renders with stunning, performance-optimized assets, now's the time. Make sure to check out the link in the description and grab it before the launch offer ends. A dedicated video is coming soon, so make sure to get subscribed to not miss out on it. Next up, we have Decal Master, the ultimate Blender add-on for effortless decal creation. Quickly add, blend, and customize decals with full control over placement, scaling, rotation, damage effects, shading, and more. You can even apply normal stamps for enhanced detail. With Decal Master, the possibilities are endless, and your creativity has no limits. And it perfectly pairs with the One-Click Age add-on. If you don't know about it, it's a one-click scene aging tool that will add realism to your scene and comes with a lot of imperfections that you can add. Now we are going to talk about new Blender courses. Starting with Intro to Geometry Node by Ducky 3D. This course is 5.5 hours long, and with its launch, it is 25% off for a limited time only. Now, what you will learn in this course. The first half of the course will teach you the basic tools and get you comfortable with how geometry nodes works and how to use a node-based system to create models and many other effects that you will want to make in your own projects. The second half of this course will teach you creative application of all of the nodes and processes learned in the first half of the course. You will create several animations from start to finish, so you could walk away with something to show. So if you want to learn the basics of geometry nodes, this is the right course for you. And also check out his Intro to Motion Graphics and Getting Comfortable with Shading course. Next up, we have CG Cookie. They are known for their amazing Blender courses, such as Human, which is one of the best courses. For those who want to learn realistic character creation in Blender, Animation Bootcamp for those seeking to learn high-quality animation, Intro to Simulation Nodes, and many more. But now with the release of core courses, you can better learn each category of Blender in more detail, whether it's mesh modeling, sculpting, texturing, rigging, lighting, physics, animation, or compositing. It's all there for you to get. They have a grand total of 63 courses made by professionals in their fields. And that wraps it up. Everyone, I hope you found these assets, add-ons, and courses useful. If you're interested in any of them, the links are in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out my previous video about the best simulation add-ons for Blender. And if you missed out on new Blender add-ons, you can watch this video. Thanks so much for your time, and I'll see you in the next one.